remember from the Huntsville Hamfest, at the YouTuber forum, Bill KK4PAL had announced that he had won this little radio, this old FT90, and that's what he's done with it. Pretty amazing. Pretty happy with it so far?
Oh yeah, it's a nice little POTA setup. I can do 2 meter, 70 centimeter. I got a roll-up antenna in there, swing it up, and boom.
That's awesome.
You know, I got 50 watts instead of 5 watts on my HT down at POTA. And then I got my HF box, right? Everybody's seen on my channel. So that's what I got this radio for, that everybody was giving me the hard time about buying it for $20.
Yeah. I can't blame you at all.
Yeah. So that was the whole plan for it.
Well, it works out. Well, cool. I mean, look at your HF here. What you got? Wow. Okay, so this is the first time I've seen a G90 in person. I had no idea they were so tiny.
Well, the radio's here.
Okay.
This is just the head. And if you look, this idea was based off of KMRD's box that he made. You know, we all know each other, so I what Mike had done, so I made my own. This is a laptop monitor.
Oh, I didn't even see the laptop in there. Wow.
I've got a driver board for it right here to power the monitor. I've got incoming power, outgoing power, 12 amp hour battery, just because I had extra 12 amp. Runs off a Raspberry Pi 400. I got hammers running, and let's see. And I'm out hunting POTA while I'm doing the half thing.
That's
awesome.
Yeah, everybody likes my Go box.
You've done some of them.
Well, while you're here watching Ham Shack TV, come over and see my channel right there, KK4PAL, Ham Radio Unleashed. Visit it. There's some good information on there.
Yeah, and I'll put him in the description too, a direct link. So that's, you're just running a little ham stick there for the antenna for that?
Ham stick. When I do a ham fest, I just run a ham stick because it's easier.
Yeah.
I use a Wolf River coil doors like out in the field using this box POTA.
Well, it's a lot easier than having to try to launch an antenna. Get there.
Much easier. And it works great.
Well, how cool. Well, I'm glad to see you made it up here, you know?
Oh, yeah.
It's awesome.
I don't live that far from here. I'm about an hour away, so.
Are you?
It's easy to come over.
That's correct.
At all these ham fests you see in East Tennessee, I'm usually at one of them selling some jaw.
Well,